everyone! Today we are going to create a very simple but fabulous 3D model. I will show you how to create a cupcake jewelry box and a cupcake purse. And all of that from just one model. Sounds too good to be true? It's actually very simple. Let's begin. So create a cylinder shape with radiuses 28 for both, height 43 and 1 as a horizontal segment. Use taper deformation with 35 values for X and Z. Using copy offsets, set 10 to Y, selecting position setting. Scale it by 65 on X and Z. Switch to wireframe to see how it looks and move by 4 on Y. Select every other polygon on the first created object and apply extrusion with 1.5 amount, turning on the individual option. Select both objects and apply Stitch in the Scope with Difference option. Click Apply. Choose torus and set ring radius to 34, tube radius 6 and tubular segments 32. Scale by 4 on Y. Now use a line with a difference as a reference, using top in the center. Create a cube with values 80 as width and depth, 60 as height. Also, set segments to all and click Apply. And then apply resolution with Fix. Use Twist with 225 on Y. Then use Taper with -100 on X and Z. Use taper with 70 again on X and Z to change a little the way it looks. Move up by 44 on Y and then scale by 82 on Y and Z. Add a new torus with radius 43, scaling it by 3 on Y. Also move to 43 on Y and move top part a little upper. Create a new cylinder with radius 43 and height 2. Move it to 100 on Y and select all details on top. Apply scale on 95 on X and Z. Move top part by 44 on Y-axis. Then create a sphere with radius 12.5 and all segments with maximum value. Move cherry by 81.5 on Y-axis. To make a nice cherry, sculpt with the standard brush with size 16 and intensity 21. Make a hole for the cherry tail. Create a cylinder with radius 2 and with height 25. Move it by 108 on Y. Use taper with -70 value and with resolution 6. Then use bend tool setting 110 on Z. Select all top parts and move them by 125 on Y. Create a cylinder with both radiuses 24.5 and 7 as height. Move Move it on 122. Move it by 120 on y-axis and select all top parts. Move them back on 40 on y. Create a logo using Image to 3D tool with resolution 250, tolerance 0.1 and amount 2. Also set blur to 8 and switch on flip background. Scale logo by 6 on Z. Rotate by 90 on x-axis and move a little to the right and upper. Then rotate approximately by 10 on y-axis. Select text and use copy offset with pivot option, setting 3 number of copies. And now let's create a purse. For that, select all with Ctrl A and move to the right. Then create a copy and move by 0 on X. And now we need to delete all toruses. Create a cylinder with 45 as top and bottom radiuses, 12 as height, and set 30 to segments. Use taper with -4 on X and Z. This is a top part of a log. Copy it and scale on -5 on X and Z, and also on 2 on Z. Apply stitch and scoop with a difference and select the smaller part. Copy it and rotate by 180 degrees on X. Align lower cylinder with the bottom part of the cupcake using Align tool with top and center options. Align upper cylinder as well with the top part of a cupcake. Then select all top part and move a little upper. Select both pins and scale them by 80 on X and Z axis. And move top part a little lower. Then select top part and scale it down a little, and also move a little lower on Y axis. Then select only the logos and also scale them down. And the last thing which we need to reduce in size is the top part without connectors. Create a cylinder with radiuses 15.6 and height 6.5. Set segments to 30. And move it a little to the left. Copy this cylinder, scale on 8 on X and Y. Select both and apply stitch and scoop. Choose the smaller cylinder in the drop-down. And then we need to scale it down by 3 on y-axis with keep proportion option. And align it with the top right side. And place it like on the video. Also scale it down a little. And scale it again by 5 approximately on y-axis. Copy it and move to the left part. Merge all top parts and use Magic Fix with 250. We are doing it to fix the geometry grid before printing. Repeat this with the lower part also. That's all for now. Today we have created 2 excellent 3D models in SelfCAD. To finish the purse, you can fasten the chain on and glue a zipper. So your cupcake purse is ready to use every day.